Hi, I'm Nick, and recently we've had an awning installed by the team from Broadview. So we were looking for a solution because we moved into this apartment overlooking the sea and lovely weather, and we had a bit of a problem with needing some shade, not just out on the balcony but also to give us some shade inside the apartment. So we were sort of looking around and the name Broadview come to mind. I've known of them for many years living in this area and was very, very impressed. From the time we walked into their office, we were met by Josh and his team, and they went through every detail that was going to help us achieve our goal of having a decent shaded area. On the day of installation, the guys turned up. In fact, they came a few days earlier because they were a little bit concerned about getting the awning up our stairs. They made a box of the same size and came a few days before to try it. All was successful. On the day they turned up on time, they had everything they needed in case there was a problem, which was brilliant. They were here probably most of the day and they fitted it fantastically. They're so clean, tidy, let us know everything that was going on, and at the end of the installation they went through all the controls and what have you. So yeah, superb. We love the awning so much, and with all the features that we asked Josh for, he come up with. One was the type of fabric we wanted, the colour of the fabric was superb. I did ask him, was it possible to have an electric heater installed as well, because not always you can go out there on a cool summer's evening or a mild winter evening, so the heater is superb. And we've also had lights put into the arms of the awning, so again it gives us added light in the evening if we want to sit outside. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. We also had a retractable screen put in, so it drops out the end of the blind, so it gives us a bit more sort of shade. Because of where we live and the winds and everything, the whole blind retracts, so if the wind gets up or you've gone out and you've left the blind out, a gust of wind comes, it retracts the blind straight away. Excellent. We would thoroughly recommend anybody who's looking for an awning system to check out the team at Broadview.